This is our breakfast. Chocolate with fresh watermelon and papaya. And siyempre, it's tortang talong and side up na egg with 1 cup of rice. Dito lamang sa may Q City Park Hotel, Jansan. Nani kabugang ilang breakfast, guys. Amian gid kayo ilang breakfast with unlimited coffee. Chocolate na atong gipili karon. This is it, Pansit. Thank you so much sa Q City Park Hotel. Dili lamang sa General Santos City.